Today, let's talk about how to expand your toolkit for the Day Camping DL30 or the Byberry. I think it's the 36-in-1. Now, there is huge updates to this tool coming soon at the end of the month, around January 29th or so. I should get my first one. Very cool. I'll let you know as soon as I see it. But sort of as a preamble to that, let's go ahead and talk about how you can expand this toolkit. One of the really cool things about this is that it has a 1/4-inch driver, different from other tools. Think the Leatherman Surge. We have a serrated blade. We have this T-shank adapter. I put a comb in there just for fun to try it out. We've got the knife. We do have the scissors. Then on the opposite side, of course, we've got the pliers, wire cutters, crimper, all that. We do have the bottle cap, lifter, can opener, wire stripper. We've got the smaller screwdriver, larger screwdriver, the awl. Then I added this universal pocket clip, holster pocket clip from Amazon. Let's go ahead, fold this up, talk about accessories you can use for this right here. Now, one of the standard toolkits that comes with a lot of these is something like this. So what you need are double-sided bits with these ball detents right there. That's something that is important. That's how it fits in, rather. You can get the Husky toolkit from Home Depot. Pretty nice set right there. A lot of options. Basically doubles this set right here. Pretty cool. Comes with a screwdriver as well, but I got it basically for this. It's not that expensive. I think it's under $20 or so. So that's an option. But what if you want something more compact? Well, if you want something more compact, you can get this short stubby screwdriver, mini screwdriver from the Steinwell store on Amazon for only $13. This is a whole little screwdriver system on its own, but you can also use it for more grip on your Byberry or Day Camping. These are double-sided bits. Now in here, they don't need the ball detent because I believe it's magnetic. If you were to use this in here, I think it would sort of get lost almost. Yeah, I don't know if it'd work in there. I think you would need to use it in this extender. Now, that may seem a little bit improbable, but there are a couple reasons why this could be valuable. Let's look first at this. We've got all these options right here as listed, the T10, T15, T20, T25, T6, T8. Especially the T8 could be very valuable working on some Leathermans even. You've got the other, all these right here as well. Pretty cool option for a very minimalist toolkit. Again, look at the size. Also, you get the extender that fits just like this. I know this isn't for everyone, but another reason why this could be valuable, I'll get this bit out of here, is because it does also work with the Roxxon Flex. Now, one of you mentioned that this is a great option for the Roxxon Flex, so that's actually why I bought it. But I thought, you know what? It is a good option for this as well, for mini toolkits. This works really great in the Roxxon Flex. So if you want it for this, you can also carry it for other tools. Keep that in mind. Just a quick reminder, it is a huge help to the channel when you subscribe, leave a like, comment, and now back to the pre-recorded broadcast. So this next set is actually from AliExpress, only about $10. Actually seems like a really good deal. It's the ZTTO Bicycle Mini Ratchet Wrench Set. Comes in a nice zippered case. Now, one of the primary things that I find really cool about this is that it does have a really large ratchet head. So it looks fairly sturdy right here. Now, again, on this 1/4 inch, you do have to almost, there we go. I guess you would have to do it at this angle right here. Then you could use this that comes with it. You can use the screwdriver bits that come with it. Then this quick snaps into place. Then you can go ahead, use this as a ratchet. So pretty nice little ratchet set. Again, I know some of you hate it when people stick ratchets on their multi-tools. Other of you maybe find it very valuable. I actually do. I've used this at work all the time. Not this ratchet per se, but another mini ratchet I bought off of AliExpress that was even more expensive, but this comes with a whole toolkit. So I am actually pretty impressed with this. Now, if you don't want to use it, again, it does come with this handle right here. So you can use it like this, or you can use it just as a screwdriver. It does have these bicycle tools as well to get the tires off, so forth, but pretty nice little case, all for $10. I really think that's very valuable. I'm very impressed. I think this is probably the best deal on a ratchet I have found. Now the price may go up. It may not be as cheap for you. Shipping varies from where you're at, but for me, this was a very good deal. So again, fits in here like so. I can go ahead, put this in place. Then I have a fairly beefy ratchet right there to use with my toolkit. I think that's pretty valuable for a whole bunch of scenarios, not just for a bicycle, but many repair jobs. I think that can be pretty valuable. So for some of you who say no ratchet for me with my multi-tool, but I like to carry a ratchet on the side, then this next one may be for you. Now this is the Labear, I guess. It almost sounds like a French word right here, but anyway, Labear. So what we have right here is a mini keychain ratchet. Then we have a detachable set of bits that come with it. So this just fits right into here. If I can get it back in place, there we go. Then we can detach from here. Then again, we have a micro ratchet. Use it the other way. So this is $15 right here. This is from Amazon, this one right here. Again, you have a button to lock it, button to unlock it, like that. Then put, actually the other way, this right here. Now this one, to be honest, actually, even though it's more expensive, I don't feel like it feels quite as good as the other one for only about $10 on AliExpress. I actually think this one feels better. But if you prefer something like this, you can put it on a keychain. I guess it's a little heavy for a keychain. I think it's 87 grams is what they say. So it's not extremely heavy. Obviously you can take this off. It gets a lot lighter, but there we go. So this is an option as well. I think it's good to have a whole bunch of options for different people. Obviously, a lot of you have toolkits. You carry things in different ways. You could put a clip on this as well. But I do think it's valuable to at least give you a chance to realize there's these options out there. So a lot of things get lost on Amazon. It's really hard to find it, but this is one of those things I stumbled across and I thought I would share with you. Not the best option ever. Probably I will never use this, but for some of you, it might be what you're looking for. So this has been a fun journey talking about all these toolkits right here, a lot of options. If you have any questions, concerns, or want to try to figure out something else to carry, to find, let me know and I'll try to help you out. Other than that, I enjoy reading your comments.